What are you drinking?
I'm drinking water.
Whose dog is that?
It is my dog.
Can I please wear your jersey?
Yes, of course.
Do you want a banana?
Yes, please.
Wow, those are a lot of questions that I was asking my sister. Do you also like asking questions? Okay, so today I want to teach you guys something new. Do you know what this is called? This is a question mark. Good job. Do you know when we use a question mark? Can you tell me? Okay, good. So we use question marks when we are asking something. So we could be asking somebody something, like you could be asking your mom or your dad or your brother, your sister a question, or even your friend a question, or your teacher a question. So if you say, Mom, what is for lunch? Okay, so you're asking her a question. So you will use a question mark. Good. Okay, so I have some examples for you and I'll need your help. Okay, so the first sentence that I have for you, you're going to tell me whether we need to put a question mark at the end of it or just a full stop. So remember, you guys have been practicing using full stops with sentences. So when do we use a full stop? Just with a normal sentence. For example, I like the beach. Am I asking a question? No, I'm just saying something. I'm making a statement. I like the beach. And then I'll just put a full stop. Good job. Okay, so I need your help. Okay, so the first sentence that I have for you guys today is, okay, so let's read it together, and then you guys are going to tell me whether we put a question mark at the end of it or a full stop. Okay, let's read it together. Do you have a cat? Okay, let's read it again. Do you have a cat? So, am I asking a question here? Yes, good. What am I wanting to know? I'm wanting to know whether you have a cat. Okay, so I'm wanting to know something. Okay, so do we put a question mark or a full stop? We put a question mark. Good. Why? Because this is a question. So let's read it again. Do you have a cat? Question mark. Okay. Leave that there. And now with this sentence, can you tell me whether we use a question mark or whether we are going to use a full stop? So let's read it together. No, I have 2 dogs. Let's read it again. No, I have 2 dogs. Okay, so is this a question or is it just a normal sentence? In the sentence, am I asking you something? Am I wanting to know information from you? Or am I just telling you something? I'm just telling you something. I'm answering your question. Good. So do we use a question mark or are we going to use a full stop? Good job. We are going to use a full stop. So let's put that at the end of our sentence. There we go. Okay, so let's read it again. No, I have 2 dogs. Good. Let's do another example. Okay, so the next sentence that I have for you is, before I help you read it, can you read the sentence by yourself? Good. Now let's read it together. How old are you? Okay, how old are you? So am I asking a question? Am I wanting to know some information? Am I asking you something? Or am I just making a statement? Am I just giving you information? What am I doing here? How old are you? I want to know something. Good. So I'm asking a question. Good job. So at the end of the sentence, am I going to put a question mark? Or am I just going to put a full stop? I'm going to put a question mark. Well done. Why am I putting a question mark at the end of the sentence? Because I'm asking a question. Good. So let's read this again. How old are you? How old are you? Good. Okay. So now the next sentence is this. I am 24 years old. Good job. Let's read it again. I am 24 years old. Good. So is that a question? Am I asking you something? Or am I just telling you something and giving you information? I'm just telling you something. Good. So at the end of this sentence, do we put a question mark? Or do I just put a full stop? Am I asking you something here? I am 24 years old. No. So I'm going to put a full stop. Good job. Okay, well done everybody. I'm so proud of you. Before we go, can you quickly tell me what this is called? It's called a question mark. Good job. Okay, so what I want you to do, after you've watched this video, I want you to go to your mommy or to your daddy or to your granny or your grandpa or your brother or your sister or your friend, and I want you to go and ask them some questions, okay? So you can think up any questions. You can ask them, what are you eating? Do you like ice cream? How old are you? What is your favorite movie? Do you like reading books? Do you like summer or do you like winter? Okay, so you can ask them a whole lot of questions. So that's the first thing that I want you to do as soon as you're done watching this video. Okay, awesome. Well done, everybody. I'm so proud of you. Keep working hard and yeah, I'm proud of you. Bye.